We delve into a case that has gripped the nation and now faces renewed controversy: the conviction of nurse Lucy Letby. In 2023, Lucy Letby was convicted of murdering 7 infants and attempting to kill 7 others at the Countess of Chester Hospital. She received 15 life sentences, marking her as one of Britain's most notorious criminals. The prosecution alleged that Letby deliberately harmed these vulnerable patients, painting her as a malevolent presence in the neonatal unit. However, recent developments have cast doubt on this narrative. An international panel of 14 medical experts, led by retired neonatologist Dr. Shu Li, has re-examined the evidence. Their conclusion: there is no medical proof that these deaths were homicides. Instead, they suggest that natural causes or medical errors could explain the tragic outcomes. Dr. Li highlighted several critical issues: inadequate staffing levels in the neonatal unit, poor training and mismanagement among the medical team, a lack of cohesive teamwork leading to suboptimal care. These factors, he argues, could have contributed to the infant's deteriorations rather than any deliberate act by Letby. Letby's defense lawyer, Mark MacDonald, has seized upon this new analysis, asserting that there is overwhelming evidence of a miscarriage of justice. He has submitted an application to the Criminal Cases Review Commission, seeking a thorough review of Letby's convictions. The CCRC now faces the daunting task of determining whether this fresh evidence warrants a referral back to the Court of Appeal. This process could take up to a year, with potential further legal proceedings extending even longer. Critics of the original trial have long pointed to the absence of direct forensic evidence linking Letby to the alleged crimes. The case relied heavily on circumstantial evidence and expert testimony, which, as Dr. Li's panel suggests, may have been misinterpreted or overstated. Moreover, the panel's findings raise broader questions about systemic issues within the hospital. Chronic understaffing, insufficient training, and communication breakdowns are not just administrative failings; they can have life or death consequences. If these systemic problems contributed to the infant's deaths, it would not only exonerate Letby but also call for a comprehensive overhaul of neonatal care practices. However, it's essential to approach this new perspective with caution. The original convictions were the result of a lengthy trial, where a jury weighed extensive evidence before reaching a verdict. As this case reopens, it underscores the complexities inherent in the justice system, especially in cases involving medical professionals. The line between human error and criminal negligence can be perilously thin, and the stakes both for the accused and for society's trust in its healthcare institutions are extraordinarily high. This is the Rethink Report, where we don't just report the news, we question it.